Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Heat the number edges with a heat gun on low, moving constantly to avoid warping. You want adhesion to soften, not the fiberglass. Once the glue loosens, slip a plastic scraper under a corner and pry gently at a shallow angle. Make sure to stop if you feel resistance, reheat, and lift slowly. You do this to avoid gel coat lift. The goal is glue relaxation, not paint removal, so keep the heat moving. Once the numbers are off, treat remaining adhesive with a solvent like Goo Gone or citrus remover. Apply sparingly and let it penetrate for 3 to 5 minutes. Then, using a plastic scraper and a soft pad, work the residue parallel to the surface until it lifts. Avoid metal tools that scratch. Make sure to rinse thoroughly with fresh water to stop solvent action. Then dry with a microfiber towel so you can see any stubborn spots that need repeat treatment. Finish the area by polishing with a fine compound to blend any faint marks. You should work with a foam pad at low speed, checking progress often. Once gloss is even, apply a UV-safe wax or sealant to protect the gel coat and prevent future staining. If you notice any gel coat lift or dull spots that don't buff out, stop, clean the area and consider a professional gel coat touch-up. This prevents deeper cracking. A simple test patch first saves costly repairs later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.